Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about focus stacking, and I'm going to try to teach you the best and easy way to do this technique, at least the easiest way that I know. So let's go to it. So let's say that we found this nice composition and we want to focus on these boulders, that mid-ground on the waves, and all the background. How can we do that? Let me show you. So as you can see on the back of the camera, I'm shooting this one at f11, which is the sweet spot for ultimate sharpness with this lens. But focusing on the waves, as you can see now, I'll try to show you. The waves are sharp, right? But if you go down, the foreground isn't so sharp. So what can we do? So we focus on the foreground, take a shot, then we focus on the middle ground, take a shot, we focus on the waves, take a shot, and I think that may cover it. Now that the first part is done, the part with the camera, we're going to have to combine these images in software. And that's what I'm going to show you when I get back home, okay? See you later. So now we have to combine the images with an editing software. For this I'm using Affinity Free because it's free and it's available for everyone. Let me show you. So here we are with the three images we shot before. The first image is focused on the foreground. The second image focused on the middle ground, and the third image on the background. Oh, big dust spot there. Now let's combine the three images. Here in Affinity, go to File, New Process, Focus Merge, then go to Add, select your files, in this case these three, click Open, then click OK and let the process begin. And it's done. This sources panel opens up, but we don't need it now. This is the final result after a crop and some dot spot cleaning. Not a portfolio image, I know, but good enough for demonstration purposes. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. It's completely free. So, until next time, happy shooting!